Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First, we solve the simplify inner brackets and orders. Now there is 3 square plus 1 first bracket and the second one is 14 divided by 7. According to this, what we do, inside the first round brackets we solve the first parts and then add 1, and simultaneously we solve the division in the second round brackets. According to this BODMAS, we must solve brackets and orders first. So first we solve 3 square, that is 24. So now the current expression 25 minus 10 multiplied by 2 plus 9. So now this is the current expression. According to the step 2, simplify the curly braces. Solve 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10 is equals to 15, and according to this step 2, subtract 10 from 25 inside the curly braces. We must clear all the brackets before moving to the external operation. Now the current expression becomes 15 multiplied by 2 plus 9. Now the third step says multiplication. First we multiply the digits. 15 multiplied by 2 equals to 30. So now the current expression becomes 30 plus 9, and according to this step takes multiplication, which takes the priority over the. Now fourth step, addition. We add the values. 30 plus 9 is equals to 39. Add the final two terms together and this is the last remaining operation, and 39 is the final result. Now according to this expression, by systematically following the order of operation, the expression simplifies to 39, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.